Hello everyone, welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. Today we are going to make spaghetti with ground turkey in the Instant Pot. I hope everyone is doing well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit the subscribe button below and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next video upload. So without further ado, let's look at the ingredients we will use today. We have garlic salt. I'm going to use some crushed red peppers, Italian seasoning, basil, garlic powder, onion powder. Of course, we need our tomato sauce, or you may use homemade tomato sauce. I have spaghetti. I already mentioned we're using ground turkey. I have 2 garlic cloves and of course our black pepper. So without further ado, let's get this party started. First thing we're going to do is set our temperature on saute. We're going to add our ground turkey to the Instant Pot. And we're just going to let this brown. We're going to add in our vegetables to flavor our ground turkey. Once it browns, I'll come back and we'll do the next step. I have this sauteing on high. This is going to be a very quick and easy recipe. If you want to do this on the stove top, you may, ladies and gentlemen, it's no problem. It'll come out the same way, trust and believe me. At this point, I'm going to add in my vegetables. I have an assortment of peppers and onions. I'm going to use about 1.5 cups, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be beautiful. I'm going to add in my crushed. This is optional. I like a little kick. Add some salt. Pepper, and Italian seasoning. Y'all know I don't hardly measure stuff, so I'm judging this teaspoon, give or take, of each. And until your heart is content with your seasoning. That's my garlic powder, onion powder. Let's give that a stir, ladies and gentlemen. Tell you already, it smells delicious. I want to turn the fire down on low. Slow down the cooking process a little bit. I'm going to add in my garlic. And if you want, you can add your garlic to the meat while sauteing. I don't mind garlic, so I'm doing it this way. I love, love, love some garlic. And pepper, of course. So y'all leave me a comment. Let me know how you like to make your spaghetti below. And let me know who you're cheering for if you watch football. I'm going to let this do its thing for about another 5 minutes to let our garlic get a little browner in there at the bottom. And then we're going to go to the next step, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to add in our sauce. Now it's up to you. You're going to use 1 jar or 2 jars. Depends on how you like your spaghetti. If you like it very saucy, add more sauce. I'm just using 1 jar. I think that would be sufficient because I'm only using 8 ounces of spaghetti. And I have boiled my spaghetti for about 7 minutes. So the spaghetti is definitely done. What I'm going to do, oh, this is going to be delicious. It smells good, y'all. I'm going to let this saute on high for about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and we'll do the next step. So after 30 minutes of this just sauteing, basically we're just heating up the sauce. I'm going to grab a spoon so we can sample it. Y'all can have some garlic bread with this if you like. Perfect, y'all. I'm going to turn the fire off because the noodles are done, right? They don't need to continue to cook. Once I rinsed my noodles with cold water, I placed them in cold water So if you set it in cold water, it will no longer cook. Stir this in like this, y'all. Mix it up very well. When I grew up, we had fish and chicken with our spaghetti. If you want more sauce, you may use more sauce. Just make it enough to eat for the game, and we will be in good hands. Trying to grab that sauce from the bottom. As you see, it is not dry. You only need 8 ounces of noodles, a half a box, and this will be your finished product, ladies and gentlemen. What do y'all think? Does that not look delicious? It is going to be good. Just for some decor, I'm going to add in some parsley on top. I'd like to thank y'all for watching the video. Do give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're almost to our next milestone of 15,000 subscribers. We can do it, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your question or your comment below, and I will respond. And if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button for me and the bell next to it, so you'll be notified on my next video upload. Until then, God bless you. Thank you again for watching. I will see you again on the next video. Enjoy the football games.